Just need to tie it up. Just go easy, easy. And just go up towards the top of the leg to keep it from rotating. But don't, especially that one, don't tighten that one because, holy shit. Yeah, bring it up here, go around this way lightly. Well, that ended the day well. That's about as tight as you want to go. Oh man, hang on. Well, luckily we have plenty of wood, and we brought the rope. Okay, tie it off and.
Well, let me keep on wrapping it around. The more I wrap it around, the more stable it's going to be.
You know what you're going to do now?
Want me to go all the way up?
No, because I need to move my knee.
Yeah.
Let me see if I. Well, hey, it's not turning.
Okay, let me go all the way around it. I know it's going to hurt.
Okay.
I think it's going to hurt, but.
And the rest of the rope I'll just sit on it, whatever. Well, this is the first, but don't
Don't get it too low?
No, because remember the ankle's not attached to the foot.
I don't want to support it as much as possible.
Go up towards the calf more. Broke my ankle riding a dirt bike. I guess this is payback for sending that smart-ass picture earlier. That's it. Don't go anymore.
You don't want this tail to get caught up in it while I can cut it off.
Just keep wrapping it. Screw it. Just go up higher. Oh, easy. Well, at least it's not raining on us.
No, not raining on us.
Son of a gun. Yeah. The remaining I can sit on it. I don't even, let's face it, I don't even know if I can ride that thing out of here. What are we, 10 miles in?
That's what.
Yeah. This is gonna be fun. But actually, the further we go,
if we get to that one opening, and
yeah,
go get your truck.
Yeah. But did you bring any pain pills?
Nope.
This would have been a good time for it.
Quit doing that shit. I'm sorry.
Okay. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, my foot's starting to kind of
I'm sure it is.
go numb a little bit because there's things not attached anymore. Okay. Man. All right, let's give this a try.